1-1, write variable expressions from a description. Number 1, express each phase as a algebraic expression. 10a, 10 plus the product of 38 and a number g. 10 is the number 10. The plus means the addition sign. Product means the multiplication. It says 38 and a number g. So it's 38 and the number g. This is together. So this is how it looks like. Do not write it as this. 38 plus g. This is incorrect. Okay? It has to say 38 and a number g. That's what the 38 and the g together is. Let's look at B. 6 is less than, so that's minus, the quotient of 2. The quotient here, this means a fraction, and a number f. But understand that it is 6 less than, so you have to bring the 6 over here and you have to subtract it here. So this is how it looked like. Okay. The quotient part here is referred to this fraction. The 2 is on the top of the fraction, and the number f is on the bottom of the fraction. And the 6 less than part, the less than part is symbolized by this subtraction symbol. C. 7 more than the quotient of 26 and a number s. 7, that's just the number 7. The more than means the addition symbol. Quotient means it is a fraction. Of 26, this is going to be the top of the fraction, and a number s, which is going to be on the bottom of the fraction. So here's the quotient part, 26, and the number s is on bottom. This would be a correct answer. You can also have it like this if you would like. Both answers are valid. So you can have the 7 second, and then you could have the addition sign here. Both answers here are perfectly valid. For 7 more than the quotient of 26 and a number s. 4 more than the product of a number x and 8. So we have the number 4. The more than is going to be the addition symbol. Then it is the product. Please understand the product is the multiplication, so we use the dot of a number x. So we put the number x. Then we can put the dot here of 8. Okay, but x times 8 can just be written as this. 8x. You can just write it as 8x. So that's how it would look like. 4 more than the product of a number x and 8. There you go.